Future plans. Going to. Welcome to Teacher Boris Piñeres on YouTube. Going to. What is it? This is an English structure that means in Spanish ir a. What do we use it for? We use it to talk about future plans or real future. Time clauses. Put a time clause at the end of the sentences. For example, today, tonight, tomorrow, next week, next weekend, next month, next year, on Monday, on Tuesday, etc. to indicate future. Positive statement. Structure. Pronoun, verb to be, going to, action verb, complement, time clause. Example, I'm going to swim in the river tomorrow. Negative statement. Structure. Pronoun, verb to be, not, going to, action verb, complement, time clause. Example, you are not going to surf the web tonight. Yes, no questions. Structure, verb to be, pronoun, going to, action verb, complement, time clause. Example, is she going to pay the bill online today? WH questions. Structure, WH question, verb to be, pronoun, going to, action verb, complement, time clause. Example, what are you going to do next weekend? Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Hi Luisa, what are you going to do on weekend? Paul, I'm going to relax at home. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. See you soon in a new lesson with Teacher Boris on YouTube.